Since history is often written by the victors, they tend to avoid mentioning the achievements of defeated nations. However, considering humanity's needs throughout different historical periods, various tools and inventions were created. Many of these inventions were recorded during the eras of those defeated nations, yet they receive little attention as a result. In this video, we will explore one of the most infamous periods in human history, the Nazi era in Germany, and examine 6 of the most fascinating inventions and advancements from that time. The diverse tools and inventions of the Nazi era ranged from advanced encryption devices to the creation of the famous Fanta soft drink. The first item on our list is the Volkswagen car. During the Nazi regime, driven by Hitler's ambitious goals to industrialize Germany in the 1930s, the Volkswagen factory was established. At that time, Hitler dreamed of producing affordable cars that everyone could purchase. These cars were meant to symbolize Germany's progress and unity, while remaining simple and affordable for the majority of the population. This dream resulted in the creation and production of the Volkswagen Beetle. The car was designed by Ferdinand Porsche, a brilliant engineer. Despite its simplicity and low cost, the design prioritized durability and safety. Given the technology of that era, the Nazis built the Beetle in a way that it could be driven comfortably on Germany's autobahns. The design and production process of the Volkswagen marked a revolution in car manufacturing in Germany, laying the foundation for the country's rise as a global automotive powerhouse. Even after World War II and the defeat of the Nazis, this car remained popular worldwide and was widely seen in many countries. The second item is the Nazis' unique radio. This device was one of the most critical tools of the Nazi regime, specifically designed to amplify the party's voice. Its purpose was to disseminate daily regime news to the German public. The radio was priced affordably to be accessible to the average German household, allowing Hitler's propaganda speeches to be heard in every home and enabling him to influence the minds of the people. The device could only receive domestic broadcasts, preventing citizens from accessing international news. Thus, this radio wasn't just a technological tool, it was a calculated weapon in psychological warfare, turning every home into a classroom for Hitler's ideology. Through this system, the Nazis could explain their ideas directly to the public and neutralize the opposition's efforts to raise awareness among the population. The third item is one of the most unusual entries on our list, Fanta. The beloved Fanta soft drink was developed during the economic sanctions imposed on Germany in the midst of World War II. During the war, these sanctions created significant shortages of various goods in Germany. Many countries had stopped exporting to Germany, and numerous companies refused to work with the nation. One of these companies was Coca-Cola, which ceased the supply of key ingredients needed to produce Coca-Cola in Germany. In response, Max Keith, Coca-Cola's representative in Germany, began researching a new product that could be produced using the resources available within the country. Max Keith encouraged his team to think creatively and use their imagination to develop a new beverage. "We need to create a drink like Coca-Cola, or even better," he told his team. After extensive research, the team successfully created the new product and named it Fanta, derived from the German word Fantasie, meaning imagination. Fanta originated as the imaginative effort of Nazi engineers to create a soda that would replace Coca-Cola. Initially, The goal for Keith and his team was simply to keep the factory running under conditions where raw materials were unavailable. However, Fanta quickly became a popular drink among the German people and even beyond Germany. After the war ended, Fanta was incorporated into Coca-Cola, and the Coca-Cola team worked on improving its original formula. Eventually, Fanta became one of the most beloved beverages worldwide, available in a variety of flavors, though it bears only slight resemblance to the version created during the war. The fourth item on our list is the autobahn. During the height of their power, the Nazis constructed so many autobahns that many believed they were the first to design this type of roadway. They even claimed this in their propaganda campaigns. However, the first autobahn was built a year before the Nazis came to power in Germany. Nevertheless, the construction of larger autobahns continued during the Nazi era. These massive projects showcased the prowess of German engineers, enabling the rapid movement of military forces and equipment. The Nazi propaganda machine frequently aired films highlighting autobahn construction, telling the public that Germany was the only country capable of building such roads with such speed and advanced technology. The next item on our list is the Enigma machine. The Enigma machine is a mysterious device that symbolizes the intelligence wars of World War II. This machine was originally built by the Germans in the 1920s for commercial purposes but was later adapted for military use and secret communications. It offered various settings, creating over 1 million possible letter combinations, and was considered unbreakable. The Nazis heavily relied on this machine for encrypting their military messages, confident that no one could break its codes. However, the Allies, with the help of a team of geniuses led by Alan Turing, managed to crack the Enigma codes. The story of how these codes were deciphered is one of the most fascinating tales of World War II. Breaking the codes allowed the Allies to gain access to German army messages, plans, and strategies. This discovery ultimately played a significant role in shaping the outcome of the war and contributing to Germany's defeat. Finally, the last item on our list is plastic surgery. World War II, with its vast number of injured soldiers, had a profound impact on advancements in medicine, particularly in the field of plastic and reconstructive surgery. When soldiers returned from the front lines with severe injuries requiring urgent medical intervention, the demand for innovative surgical techniques grew rapidly. This demand pushed doctors and medical professionals to expand the boundaries of this field at an unprecedented pace, developing techniques that laid the foundation for modern plastic and reconstructive surgery. It was during this period that several new methods for treating burn injuries were also developed. While plastic surgery had been established before the Nazi era, it was during this time that the field truly flourished.